welcome back. Today I have another Beautylish Lucky Bag unboxing for you guys. I don't know why I'm doing that with my hands. I have it right here. I'm just so excited. I've been waiting for this all week. It is the Jeffree Star Beautylish Lucky Bag. But before we get into this unboxing, I do want to mention that this video is extra special because I am collabing with Crystal K Beauty. She is an absolutely amazing, incredible, talented beauty YouTuber here on YouTube. I have known her since we both started our channels like 2 years ago. We started our channels around the same time. Never actually met. She's in Minnesota, but she is absolutely awesome and we haven't collabed in forever, so we figured today's video would be perfect because she also ordered the Jeffree Star Beautylish Lucky Bag, so we thought it would be kind of interesting to see what we both get inside of our bags. So once you get done watching my video, feel free to pop on over to her channel. I'll link her down below. We are uploading at the same exact time, and please subscribe to her. She's awesome and we need to get her to 20K. She is so close, so close. But yeah, so let's go ahead and get into this Beautylish box. I'm ready. So the Jeffree Star Lucky Bag looks just like the other Lucky Bags. It has the same kind of tissue paper as we saw with my mama's bag. Absolutely love the way they package it. Just gonna unwrap it here. Oh yeah, and I do just want to mention super quick, I actually haven't gotten a Beautylish Lucky Bag by Jeffree Star before. This is my very first one. I've only previously gotten the mystery boxes. I've gotten a lot of those, so it'll be kind of interesting to compare the mystery boxes to the Beautylish Lucky Bag. I don't even think I mentioned it, but the Beautylish Jeffree Star bag is $75 with an additional, I think it was $10 shipping. So the total of this box is basically $85 with the shipping included. I kind of included it because there was no free shipping with the purchase. It said $75 you got free shipping, but that was excluding all the lucky bags. Almost said mystery bags. Just wanna mention that because I did get a little sidetracked here for a second. All right, let's go ahead and get into this. Okay, so I see a little package of bubble wrap here. Let's pull that out. Gotta open this up. I'm trying so hard not to look at all these items yet, but I had to get into the bubble wrap. Oh, maybe I'll put a little tissue paper over the bubble wrap now that I've opened it. And let's grab it like that because I'm excited. All right, first things first, let's get into this. We got ourselves a liquid frost here. Ooh, this one is in Goddess. Hello, hello, hello. That one was upside down. I showed you guys the name. I have actually gotten a liquid frost before, not in a mystery bag box. I ordered one when they first launched. I got the one in Peach Frost, I believe it was called. And I actually really like that one. Super pretty. Hold on, let me grab it. Okay, here's the one that I bought, Frozen Peach. That's what it was called. So this one is in the shade Goddess. It has this little dripper applicator. I only rubbed it out here on the top part of my arm. I didn't go underneath, but I think it gives a little bit of a fake tan situation. So that could be really good come summertime. If I'm not fake tanning, I just use a little bit of this, get a little glow. The Skin Frosts are 25 bucks a piece, so not a bad start. Okay, let's grab item number 2 here. I'm trying so hard not to look. Oh, hold on. So I got the gloss, which I have not tried before, in Midnight Lick. That's why that one caught me off guard. I was like, hold on, that shade. I have not tried any of the glosses, so that is pretty exciting. Oh man, I love the packaging of this. It's just so nice to look at, in my opinion. Oh man. Oh my gosh! I was not expecting that. Okay, I thought it was gonna be like a sheared out, glittery black gloss. It's not sheared. Shall we try it? Let's try it. I got a little bit of gloss on, so let's wipe that away and just try this out. Let's go for it. I think it's scented too. I think it's smelling of vanilla. Really nice. Oh man. Wow, I can tell you guys with 100% certainty that I do not own a black lip gloss. It's definitely very unique. Yeah, I was honestly not expecting it to be that pigmented for the gloss. It is a little bit more sheared out, so once it's on the lips, you can see a little bit of skin poking through. I would probably wear this with a purple or a black lipstick underneath, so that way the color is really opaque because you can see quite a lot of natural lip poking through. You know what? Let's try it. I'm gonna put a little bit of purple lipstick underneath and just pop a little bit of this on top and see how that looks. I know, I'm so sorry, I'm getting distracted, but I just wanted to try it. All right, so Vampy Lip. Let's try with the black gloss. Okay, yeah, so this is definitely how I would wear this gloss, not on its own. It kind of helps to intensify the lipstick underneath and makes it look a little bit more vampy. You can still see some of the purple, but yet you have it amplified a bit more with the black gloss on top. That's just a little bit of a tip in case you also got this in your Lucky bag and you're thinking like, how in the heck do I wear this black gloss? This is one way. Oh yeah, and I keep forgetting about the prices. This lip gloss is $18. All right, on to item number 3. We got ourselves a Skin Frost here. We got the Skin Frost in Summer Snow Cone. I'm wondering if this is gonna be a gold or a yellow. I don't remember seeing a reveal for this one. I can't quite remember. Was it like a limited edition collection with this different packaging? I don't remember. Ooh, okay, so that's what it looks like inside. And looking it up here, it is limited edition like I thought, and it is $29. So let's take a little swatch here. Oh, okay. It's actually a little bit of a lighter shade than I was expecting. Lighter for Jeffree Star, that is, of course. And with it being a Jeffree Star Lucky bag, I figured that there was gonna be a highlight in here, so I actually didn't put on any highlight today in preparation for this video. So I don't know if there's gonna be more in there since I put that tissue paper on top and I'm not looking. So I'm just gonna take one cheekbone and put a little bit of highlighter on and save the other one in case there's another highlight. That is actually quite nice. It's not a stark golden yellow. It's actually pretty wearable, pretty soft color. So that was item number 3. Let's go back in for number 4. Ooh, what is this? It says Jeffree Star and Beautylish. Is this like an exclusive item? Ooh. So there's 3 shades that come in here, and I'm gonna quickly look it up to see if this is new. Okay, found it here. So this is in fact a exclusive. It's their special edition lip box number 2. It costs $54, and you get 3 special edition lip colors that were Jeffree Star's best-selling limited edition shades. So it comes with Pumpkin Pie, Chrysanthemum, and Sagittarius. How super duper exciting. Let me swatch these out. Ooh, that Pumpkin Pie shade though. Here are the 3 liquid lip shades that come in this bundle. Very pretty. I definitely want to try these on my lips really fast and just see how they look. So let's try them. All right, so first up we got Sagittarius. This one's actually really pretty on. I was not expecting to like this one as much as I do, but it actually looks really good on. Not bad. Then we got the shade Chrysanthemum, which is definitely one of the colors that I tend to gravitate towards myself. It's a pinky nude, it's right up my alley. Pretty shade. So let's put on the last one. Oh man, that is a unique shade. This is the pumpkin pie. And this is one of those ones that switches a little bit. So when you smack your lips together like I just did, there's some glitter that pops out. Not a huge amount of sparkle, but it's some glitter that matches pretty on point with the color of the liquid lip itself. So when you get up close, you can really see the sparkles. So not too bad. I actually really enjoyed this lip bundle. There was some pretty shades in here that I would definitely be wearing. All right, on to item number 5 now. I think we're on. Let's see, let's feel around. Is there any more? I think it's just one item left now, and it feels like a big one. Oh my gosh, the blood sugar palette. It is gorgeous. I actually do not own the blood sugar palette. I've been wanting to pick it up just because, I mean, it's a classic. I actually only own the blue blood palette, which is right back here. It's a really good palette. And then the Thirsty, and I think that's actually it. So I don't have that many eyeshadow palettes by Jeffree, and this has been one on my list to try out. Super pretty. Oh yeah, shoot. Let me show you guys up close. And it comes with 18 shades inside of it. I believe there is 1 metallic and 3 like shimmer shades. Yeah, I think they're more of the shimmery side. And then the last 12 are all of the matte formulas. Let me swatch this out for you guys super fast. I mean, you may have seen blood sugar swatched out before, but I'm gonna show you again because I really want to see them. All right, so here we got the full blood sugar palette swatched out. Had to go onto my hand there because I started running out of room, but oh boy, that looks pretty. And the blood sugar palette is $52, and it's kind of perfect timing. I always think of the blood sugar palette whenever February is coming around, you know, Valentine's Day. That's whenever I think like, oh man, I should get that blood sugar palette. So now can do some fun Valentine's-y type of looks with this palette here. So let's see here, what did we end up getting? So we got ourselves 1 palette for $52. We got ourselves a lip bundle, whoops, that's upside down, with 3 lip shades inside of it for $54. Then we got a Skin Frost highlighter in Summer Snow Cone for $29. Got ourselves the gloss in Midnight Lick for $18, and then we had gotten the Liquid Frost in the shade Goddess for $25. So we got a grand total of 5 items, and for $75 for the box plus $10 shipping, depending on how you personally like to look at it. If you like to include the shipping, if you don't, I personally do, since there was no free shipping for the Lucky Bags, everybody had to pay that $10 shipping. So for the grand total of my box, I got a value of $178, which I think is really good. You get double the amount of what you paid, and a little bit more depending, of course, how you like to look at it. So honestly, some really good stuff inside of this Lucky Bag. I mean, for my first one, I would definitely say I'm very impressed by it. I mean, I am thrilled to be getting the blood sugar palette since I have not personally purchased it yet. So this to me was like, made it all worth it. But it does also make me really curious to see what Crystal got in her box, if she got the exact same thing or if hers was slightly different. Don't forget to head on over to her video now. I'm gonna link it right below so you can check it out. Also, if you guys purchased a Lucky Bag yourself, let me know what you guys got down below in the comment section. I would definitely love to know what you guys have gotten and if you enjoyed it. So that is gonna conclude my video for today. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit that little bell button. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.